Okay, today we got the Zakarian by Dash skillet that my wife got me, and I love it. The only thing I do with this little skillet is cook eggs, and that's what it was bought for. And it just works so good. Still a little bit, needs to be a little warmer. You get there rapidly. It's got a good coating on it that really doesn't stick at all, and it's not a Teflon or anything like that. I'm glad, that's why I didn't get a Teflon. Maybe put too much water in here.
It'll be okay.
Huh?
It'll be alright.
Better take the lid off and let it go.
Oh, I'll get him.
Okay.
Come on, Bubba. Bubba.
Yeah. Anyway, you get to cut some of this out.
Yeah, we will.
Oh, he's out there going crazy about something. He's gonna flip them, and it's just so easy to flip them. Flip the eggs and roll them over. Just roll them over, just like that. There, come get you a gander at that. Nice, clean, beautiful egg.
Perfect eggs
Every
time.
time.